Alright guys, we're going to do soft stacks today. Should be a quick and easy one. You're aiming for something that looks like that. So step number one is supposed to be to draw some parallel lines with them bigger in the middle and getting smaller as you go to either side, like that. And then hook them together with these lumps. So it kind of looks like a bumblebee beehive sort of a shape. And then put a loop on the top and the bottom, and you're done. Now, personally, I'm not sure I want to draw them like that. I think I want to draw them more like one shape and then one shape and then one shape, so that I can be more organic with my shapes. So we're just going to try both ways and see what happens. I'm not going to do them in a bead like that. I'm going to just do something else. What, I don't really know yet, but something else. So let's set this aside, turn on my light, and see what I come up with. We're going to do some CPT. We're going to ask ourselves, what if I do something on this? Let's see. I'm going to draw on a piece of green paper today. And as far as composition goes, you know what? I have not in a long time done one with a square border. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in a border to start. And it's going to be kind of a wobbly border. Doesn't matter. Well, that can't have three borders. Pick one. Pick one, Dawn. Kind of like that, and like that. And then I'm going to put one of these shapes, kind of decide where I want to put these shapes. Let's divide this up into some shapes here. Let's do one here, and maybe one kind of this way, and maybe one kind of this way. Okay, so now I've divided my square into some shapes. You can hardly see them, but you can see them. They're there. And then I will decide to put these kind of stacked shapes kind of along these lines. So I'm going to put one stacked shape kind of in here. They kind of go here. And then I'm going to put one kind of in here. And then maybe one kind of this way. So I'm going to stack them going different directions. And then one kind of this way. Like that. And maybe one, it's going to not have this end. Well, maybe it'll have that end a little bit. And then it'll come up and out this direction. Like so. So I've decided that's where my shapes are going to go. I've kind of pre-planned my composition. But now, I think for maybe this one, I will do that the step out exactly the way it is, and the rest of them I'm going to do my own way. So this one I'm going to do the step out kind of the way it shows it. It shows it like this, and then like that, and then like that, and then like that, and then like this. Kind of getting bigger and smaller, right? Isn't that what it showed? Something like that. And then it showed connecting them together with lumps. Like so. And like so. That's one way to draw it. I'm going to choose to do it a different way. I'm going to choose to draw it like that. And then stack another one. And then stack another one. This way I can get my stacks a little bit more organic. And I can change the shapes of them. Like that. And then go the other way. kind of like this. I like, personally, my own personal self, I like this better. This works, and if that works for you, that's great. But see, I like to have more variety in the depth of each of these things. Just me. It's my personal preference. You do what you need to do to make you happy. So don't say that you know, my way is the only way, because it surely is not. So I decided this one was going to go really big right in here. And then like that, and then like I think I want this one next before I finish that one. This one I'm making kind of has got a bit of an angle to that, but you know what? I'm good with it. And then I'm going to finish these in here. Like that. So that one's overlapping that one. And then I'm going to do that here as well. I want one. I think I want it this way. That. All right, so now I've got some interest, was I too close? Did you see any of that? I bet you didn't. I'm sorry if I was off screen. I might have been. Don't yell at me. Don't tell me I was off screen, because I probably was. I'm sorry. Maybe I wasn't. I'm not sure. I want beautiful border. Just like that. I want a tad of shading. Mostly where these guys overlap. I don't think I want much in the way of shading this time. I think I'm going to mostly want highlight. Less shading and more highlight. Something like that. Just a little bit of shadow, not much. And then I'm going to do highlight, but I don't think I want to do it with the white. I think I want to do it with the peach, so that it's light peach, so that it's different color than my border. Something like that. So the light is hitting here on these guys. Something like that. I'm not pushing very hard on this pencil. I'm barely putting any color down. I could get really dark with it, but that's not what I want. Because I want some of that green to show through still. Perfect. All right. So that was highlighted with peach. The background is white for the frame. And that's it. That is soft stacks. I'm going to do it. How do I want it to live? I think I want it to live with that at the bottom. Okay. There we go. So I made mine really organic, less bead-like. You can absolutely make yours more look like beads, like the sample. I chose not to. I chose to do something else with it. You guys have a really great day. I'm going to get myself in the house before the rain comes, because it is coming. The temperature has dropped significantly. I'll turn off my heater so I don't leave it on all day. I will see you guys on the next video, which will be on the 18th. I will be just coming back from vacation. And yeah, so I won't be able to really tell y'all about my vacation. You won't hear about it until the middle of April, because I'm doing these videos ahead. And I won't be doing any drawing while I'm on vacation. So I probably won't draw again until after, I mean, you'll see videos. Yeah, so the videos that will go up after I get back will be 2 weeks from after I get home. So yeah, it'll probably be middle of April before I'll tell you about my vacation, which, you know, that's okay with me. It's okay with you. I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Do something nice for someone today, okay? Make the world a better place.